All right, after the union government, now Bharat Biotech has also released a statement. I quote here, newborn calf serum is used in the manufacturing of viral vaccines. It is used for the growth of cells, but neither used in the growth of SARS-CoV-2 virus, nor in the final formulation of the vaccine. The usage of newborn calf serum was transparently documented in the following publications since the last 9 months. Milan Sharma is joining me live on further details coming in on this story. Milan, the fact is that even if there is some scientific evidence to it that he's trying to discuss, why really even bring this issue further? Because this is only going to generate a political storm, but more than that, push people back to even consider before the storm dies down.
Well, definitely, Pooja, it does create a large sense of vaccine hesitancy because the statements given both by the Union Health Ministry as well as the manufacturers of Covaxin Bharat Biotech say that the new calf serum is used for maturing the viro cells. No cows or calves are being slaughtered to do this process. This is a process that's being used to make other vaccines as well, like vaccines for polio, rabies, and influenza. The vaccine component itself does not contain any component from the bovine cattle variety, but it is used to just mature the cells, which are then tested with the SARS-CoV-2 virus.
Yes.
That if the cell is actually interacting with the virus, and what is the kind of reaction that is being seen. Of course, health experts have said that this is a process that's used. We also use animal studies. Remember that vaccines are first tested on animals in clinical trials, and then they come to humans. So this kind of tweet actually gives rise to religious sentiments, which is very, very harmful and creates vaccine hesitancy at a time when India is facing a pandemic.
And of course, the big question, Milan, remains that apart from creating a political storm, was there any other reason that he should have put out this specific claim on social media? Thank you so much, Milan, for all the latest.